Did you know that one of the biggest threats to your family's health could be pigeons? Have your little ones recently shown signs of chest infections or an upset stomach? Is your home facade constantly being dirtied by pigeons? If yes, you may have a serious problem, a health risk to your family. Research shows that pigeons account for more than 50% of the spread of infectious diseases. What's more, they're just irritating and create a mess in your lovely home. Introducing the Fakir Anti-Bird Spike, a one-of-its-kind revolutionary product. Developed after extensive research for over 6 years. Made from lightweight yet sturdy UV-stabilized polycarbonate, this spike uses a needle array design to provide 100% defense against pigeons. Widest spread covers all exposed and sensitive points in your home. Its transparent spike maintains the aesthetics of your home, no matter where it's installed. The most precious thing in our lives is our family, and we can't stand anything dangerous happening to them. Don't put your family's health at risk by ignoring the menace of pigeons. Stay healthy, stay protected, save money with the Fakir Anti-Bird Spike. Order now and keep your home safe and healthy.